In this quick video, I'll show you how to put a picture in a circle shape using Photoshop. If you found this video helpful, then please consider subscribing my channel and also like this video. So I have this image on my canvas. I want to put it in a circle shape. So for that, firstly we need to select a ellipse tool. For that, go to here, which is this rectangle tool. We need to hold it and then select from here ellipse tool. Once you select it, draw a circle shape on your canvas. So before that, make sure to hold shift on your keyboard to draw a perfect shape. If you don't hold shift, then your circle will not be perfect. So make sure to hold shift on your keyboard. Now take the shape and place it wherever you want. I want to place it here. Then select your image and place the image layer above your circle shape layer. Then right click on your image layer and click on create clipping mask. Then your picture will be put inside circle shape. Now press Ctrl T on your keyboard to transform the image. I'll simply transform it like this and then I can adjust the position of my image, and there you go. I have successfully put a picture in a circle shape. Now if I was a big help, can you please subscribe my channel? I would really appreciate it. For now, thanks for watching. Bye bye.